Voilà, c'est le marché aux oiseaux, Pasar Burung Denpasar.
Hah? Halo?
Coq de bataille. Coq de bataille. Apa itu? Rabbit Anggora.
Itu tikusnya di sana.
If you wear home every day, I think it's easy. Here,
What is
you can
that?
hold with the glove every day is good.
Apa itu?
Sometimes no. Not really, not really. You can give what?
Bang, the foot mouse.
Because it's python is 3 python. This is in the tree.
Langsung kalau dia mau berapa